Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from MoneyMan4438 Marketing, and welcome to day 5 of the MoneyMan4438 Marketing Series. Today we're going to talk about creating and optimizing a YouTube video. Now don't mind me, I'm going to be referring to some notes. I just want to make sure that I get everything straight for you guys the first time around instead of having to correct something later on down the road. So, it is important that you are not skipping through to other videos. If you are, and you have not completed steps 1 to 4, it will be difficult to get great results. If you are doing this, then stop this video and start at the beginning or where you were before this video. Okay, let's get into the meat and potatoes of creating and optimizing your video so it will rank near or at the top of YouTube. Whenever I promote, I focus on daily YouTube videos. If not daily, as frequently as I can find the time to make YouTube videos. If you haven't made YouTube videos yet, I would refer you to the training on ScreenCast-O-matic and the YTD video downloader at the beginning of the course. Once you're familiar with these, it's time to create your own videos. I watch other people's videos to see what they're talking about to get an idea for the videos that I'm creating, and then I create a video. After I create a video, I upload it and place it into a playlist on my YouTube channel for the product or the affiliate offer I'm promoting. Let's take a look at my YouTube channel and you can see what I mean. So here are my training videos. I have them into a playlist called MoneyMan4438 Training Video. So once I created this video, I placed it into this playlist. This is my marketing series. I have all my playlists in one playlist so that people can have a one-stop shop. I have all the marketing tools that I've located over the last several years and placed them into a playlist called Marketing Tools. I have a social media tools playlist, a blogging playlist, all playlists that were created by me while I was searching out these particular needs. I have a playlist for Rockwall Investments. It's my latest offer that I'm promoting. I joined this system on September the 5th of 2018. So this is what you're doing. You're creating a video. You're uploading that video to YouTube. You're going to be adding a description. And in that description, I'm going to be talking about what you need to put there to help you rank your videos at or near the top, to help you get your videos seen by the people you're promoting it to, and then convert them into a customer or an affiliate. Let's take a look at one of my videos so that I can show you what I'm doing on my description page. So once you've gone to a video, if you scroll down the video, you're going to see a Show More button. That Show More button is going to let you see what's in the description. I'm sure you've watched YouTubes and maybe you've even gone to this Show More section before. Always place the link to your bridge page at the top. Do not use your referral link. There's a reason for this. A bridge page lets people go to a page, as I explained in the Day 2 training, so that people can see you showing them how to fill out their registration page. The bridge page has two functions. It lets them see you and relate to you, and also lets them join your offer. Let's take a look at my bridge page. On my bridge page, it has some wording here. Create your free Rockwall account. That's to jog people's minds as to why they're there. There's a video that's going to explain how to complete the registration. And there's a button to click here to join so that they can be on the registration page while the video is playing, and it will go into a different screen so that they can make sure that they're completing their registration properly. There's also a button for them to join MoneyMan4438 Marketing Facebook group so that you can take advantage of all of the information in the file section to grow your business. Do not place multiple links at the top of your page. You don't need the clutter. Your page is here for one purpose and one purpose only. That's to get people to sign up to your business or the product that you're selling. You'll see that I have a second link. That link goes to my training series. And in that training series, it's also promoting my business. Lower on down, it's getting people to join my YouTube channel so that they can constantly see what I'm promoting or the training that I'm offering. It has a link to join my offer, because if they don't have a product to sell, they need one. They can also join my Facebook group here. If you want to have backlinks on your page, then you need to place them at the bottom of your description page, which is where I've placed links to all the videos I've created on this offer. You want to have a way for them to get a hold of you. So I've got my Facebook page here. Facebook's a great way to relate to people, as I've explained in other videos. There's also a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have a link for them to join Coinbase if they don't have a Bitcoin wallet. I also have a link for Cointracking.info. If they're living in the United States and they need to keep track of their transactions for tax purposes, this is an awesome place to be. So you can see I have the links here in the order of importance. First, a link to create their free account. Then a link to my training series, which also has links for them to create a free account in there, and to join my MoneyMan4438 Marketing Facebook group. They can get a hold of me on Facebook, they can get a hold of me on Skype, and then the other important stuff: YouTube channel, Coinbase, Cointracking.info. Place the video title along with some keywords directly underneath your most important link, or links in my case. If you don't have a marketing series that allows people to also join you through that marketing series, and the only link you have is the one for them to create a free account, make sure you're using a bridge page, not your referral link, as we talked about in the day one training. The description here is not what I'm talking about in the video. It is information from the site of the product or affiliate offer I'm promoting at the time. I do research on the site to get the right information with keywords that help my video rank at or near the top. I just copy and paste information from their site into a notepad and edit it so that it suits my needs, and then I paste it into the description of the video. We'll go to a site so that you can see what I'm talking about. So here's Rockwall Investments. It happens to be an offer I'm promoting at this time. I've clicked on the About Us page. You can scroll down through here and you can get some information from this page, or you can copy and paste each section to Notepad, and then after you have it onto Notepad, then you can reword it to make the most sense for you in your description. There will be keywords in here that help YouTube rank you at or near the top, because YouTube also looks at the keywords in your description. I also looked on their Our Offer page, and here there's lots of good words: cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, 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 cryptocurrency, types of Bitcoin, mining, blockchain, cloud mining. One of the things you don't want to do, though, is use the word we from their description, because you're not them. You want to change that wording to reflect you and what you think of the offer you're promoting. Now that our description is complete, it's time to search out the long tail keywords that will also help us rank at or near the top. At the bottom underneath my description, you're going to see video tags. These are long tail keywords. The offer that I'm promoting is Rockwall Investments. Then there's a space, and everything after the space is part of the long tail keyword. How to, presentation, support, proof, and so on. Then you'll see that I have all of my videos underneath at the bottom for people to go to see other videos that I'm using to promote my offer. So you might ask yourself, where are you going to get these long tail keywords? Well, one of the places that you can go, and the first place that I go to, is Google. So let's go there now. And we can type in Rockwall Investments. Then we'll scroll down to the bottom, and you can see these are long tail keywords. Rockwall Investments Reviews, Rockwall Investments PL, Rockwall Investments Calculator, and it's misspelled to us, but you have to remember this system is from Poland, so that might be how they're spelling calculator. Rockwall Investments Company. These are all good keywords, and you want to place them into your long tail keywords on your description. The next thing I do is go back up to the top and put a space after investments. Now you can see more keywords. .com, reviews, opening. Now I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. They all seem to be Polish words. Fusion is their investment pack. Log in. These are all long tail keywords that I need to get into my descriptions. Once I've used my notepad, and in my case I use PSPad, it's a free download to do all of my editing with, and once I'm done doing that editing, I'll copy and paste the new description into all of my videos that pertain to this offer. The next place you can look for long tail keywords is YouTube itself. So if you go here and you type in Rockwall Investments, space, you can see all of the wording that comes up. Scam, reviews, PL, opening, just Rockwall Investments alone. These might be the names of some people promoting. So you wouldn't want to use those. You'd want to research that first and see just what it is. So this is a man. His name is Waplata, and you'd want to make sure you don't include those in your long tail keywords. Now that you know what long tail keywords are and the importance of having them in your description, as well as what your description is and how to compile and edit it, a simpler way would be to just go and search out Rockwall Investments on YouTube. Take a look at who's ranking near the top and see what they're doing to get to the top. The first thing they're doing is getting a lot of views. These views are what's driving this to the top. But let's take a look at what this person's using by going to their Show More section. This person's actually in Rockwall Investments just like me. He's one of the people in our team. You can see he's got his promotionary link right at the top. And it's not a referral link. It's a link leading to his bridge page. He's got his title. How to find him on Facebook, just like me. Then he's got the description that he compiled. You could take and copy this description into your notepad, reword it so that it's your own, because YouTube might not rank you. They may not even let you upload the video if you're constantly using the wording of someone else. Then he has his video tags at the bottom, his long-tailed keywords, and the videos that he's done on this particular offer. We're all marketing the same way. The more videos you create and upload to YouTube, the better your chances are to rank at or near the top. It takes persistence to reach the top. If you only put out one video, your chances of getting to the top aren't very good. If you put out 5 videos, your chances of getting to the top aren't very good. It takes consistency. a video a day, or as I mentioned earlier, a video as often as you can find the time to do it. I realize that people have a busy life, and not everyone can do a video a day. So the more you can create a video and upload it with the right description, optimized in the right way, the better your chances are that you're going to rank at or near the top in YouTube, for more people to see the offer you're promoting. That, after all, is the name of the game. More people seeing your offer, purchasing products, or joining an offer that you're promoting. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the day 6 video for my MoneyMan4438 Marketing Series.